You are going to love 2021 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, anti-lock braking system, door edge guards, fog lights, driver's side remote mirror, dual exhaust, power brakes, power sunroof, leather upholstery, heated seats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.